Guys, good morning. So today's video I will tell you some phrases which is very must to speak English. When we speak English, definitely these type of sentences we get to speak, right? And it is very useful to get the fluency in spoken English, because when we learn English and when we try to speak English, we always it means I think that our skills should be good, okay, in front of anyone. When we speak, then people like us, right? So without wasting time, let's get started. आज दोस्तों ऐसे फ्रेजेस के बारे में बात करेंगे जो कि डेफिनेटली हमें यूज़ करने पड़ते हैं इंग्लिश बोलते समय, और वो बहुत ज़रूरी भी हैं, बहुत ही और काफ़ी इफेक्टिव भी हैं, राइट? तो चलिए फर्स्ट स्टार्ट करते हैं वीडियो को। और अगर चैनल पर आप नए हैं तो प्लीज़ चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिएगा और दोस्तों के साथ भी आप शेयर करिएगा। तो दोस्तों, इट मीन्स द फर्स्ट फ्रेज इज़ गेट इट बी हैपन। गेट इट बी हैपन, राइट? इट मीन्स जब हम कभी बात करते हैं कि कोई चीज़ होने दीजिए, गेट इट बी हैपन, राइट? गेट इट बी हैपन का मतलब होता है होने दीजिए इसको। सो व्हेन वी, इट मीन्स यू नो somebody's are with me, okay, suppose, and they are thinking something to do anything, or they are making the plan to that. It means I have to do this with, it means I have to do something with that direction. So we think also that okay, get it be happen where, so don't worry, get it be happen, hone dijiye, okay, that's great, that's right, okay, that's a good way. So like this. And the next phrase is when we, it means when we go for shopping, okay, then we use these type of sentence as how much is this, how much is this, okay, how much is this, you know guys, इसका मतलब होता है यह कितने का है, right? So when we wanna have, or we wanna confirm the price, that how much is this, how much is this, definitely when we get shopping, then definitely we use these type of sentences, okay? So how much is this, like some examples I'm getting you, how much is this blazer for, how much is this shoes. It means just you can use for also, or you can't use for also, that it means both are correct, right? So how much is this? But if we talk about personally, if we talk about the price, when we confirm the price, when we want to know the price, that what's the value, so how can we say that? It means there are many steps, there are many methods to confirm the price, to know the price, right? That we can say what is the price, what is the price, and the next is what is the cost, what is the cost of it. It means on the place of it you can replace the words, right, according to you. It means and how much is this, how much is this, okay, and what is the value. Sometimes we say that what is the value, right? So and after that, when we get shopping of anything, then suppose if we are purchasing a shirt, a blazer, then it means with shopkeeper we say that could I get on it, could I get on, you know what is this, क्या मैं इसे पहन सकता हूँ. Sometimes we wanna check, we wanna get on, right, that dress, it means which we wanna buy, but after wearing, after getting that, we think that oh, it's a perfect for our body, so we should take it now, right? So we can say could I get it, could I get on, not get it, could I get on. So this type of. And sometimes and the next phrase is a word to voice, a word to voice, you know what is this? Sometimes we say a word to voice. इसका मीनिंग क्या होता है, इसका मतलब क्या होता है, राइट? व्हाट इज़ द मीन ऑफ इट? मीन्स समझने वालों के लिए इशारा ही काफ़ी होता है. Sometimes if you wanna get understand to anyone that what we are saying, that somebody's are getting or you are getting or not, so we say that it means a word to voice here, okay? Somebody say that just a word to voice, so now anybody can get it now, okay? And the next is it means let it happen. Sometimes you say that, or the next is it means what happened. The problem is that it means sometimes we create this type of atmosphere when we have to say that what happened, because somebody, and we have to know that when we say this word, okay, this sentence, when it means suppose if you have a team of your friends and you are, it means you are just enjoying in a party, and after that you say that if in your team or in your friends, if any friend is serious, okay, and he is nervous, then you say that what happened, right? So it means on this condition you have to use this sentence. And after that if you just entered the class, if you entered the class and students are studying, but if you want to know that, or if you want to confirm that what's happening, क्या हो रहा है, so you can say that what's happening, and in the last what's happening right now, you can say like this. And after that it means there are many sentences to speak or to improve the fluency in English. Okay, sometimes we say that अपना अपना होता है, right? So if we talk about the relationship, if your friend is, and if you it means your brother is there, if it means there is your brother, there is your friend. Okay, so if you want to confirm that, it means sometimes we say that your blood is thicker than water, अपना तो अपना होता है, right? Sometimes we say this type of phrase also. And after that, sometimes we be in that condition. It means if your friends team are there, and if anybody is nervous, so we say that, yeah, please don't be nervous, right? So this is also a phrase. And after that, sometimes we have to know, or we have to take out something with others, like please could I have it. It means the next phrase is could I have it, क्या मैं ले सकता हूँ. For the having anything, for the taking anything with others, just we can say could I have it. Okay, this is the way to, it means quiz, or this is the way to it means confirm that could I have it, any items you can for the having, right? You are getting what I'm saying? So you can say it means could I have it, like could I have your phone, could I have your pen, could I have your bag please. In the last please you can say it's it generates the minor anything. We waste the time. So somebody say that time is the best healer. It means if your time is not good, okay, as the corona kal, corona pandemic, this is the pandemic. And what is the meaning of pandemic? Means mahamari ko English mein pandemic kehte हैं, right? So this is the pandemic, and it's a big problem for the world, right? So definitely we can say as the time is the best healer, वक्त हर जख्मों को भर देता है, right? So as the condition, if in this pandemic everybody is, it means somebody have no work to do. Okay, so we can, it means trust, and we can suggest them that please, yeah, don't worry, okay, don't be serious, and time is the best healer. Definitely you will get success, okay, with something. So, and the next phrase is when we, it means say, or in a bit problem, in a bit thing, or in a bit condition, just we say that sorry, I'm sorry, right? So definitely we can say I'm sorry, but in a bit problem and in a bit thing. And sorry is the way of it means politing. Sorry we can say as we say the sorry as we polite also, and with the seniors also in some problem and in some topics, just we say that sorry. But sometimes we have to say that I'm extremely sorry. What is this? When we get in a serious condition, okay, when we get in a serious condition, and we say that, we say something, okay, we can say as the I'm extremely sorry, I'm extremely sorry, we have no option to do anything, okay, I'm extremely sorry, right? So this is also a phrase sometimes we have to say. And a lot of phrases are here which I will provide in the next video. So how did you find this video? Please tell me and inform me that how did you find. If you like this video, please it means like, share, and if you didn't subscribe my channel 8, so please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much guys.